Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain another few applications of equations of motion. So the application is if a bullet loses 1/nth of its velocity while passing through a plank of thickness x. Question is, how many such planks required to just stop the bullet? So let us try to understand the question with the help of a diagram. Suppose let us say this is the bullet. So you will observe planks which are used to prepare doors in plywood shops. Say these are the planks. Say in the first case, only one plank, its thickness we are taking x. So as per the question, it loses 1/nth of its velocity while passing through a plank of thickness. So once it comes out, it loses. What is the meaning of loses? Means it will have some remaining velocity. So let us say this is u. So when you talk about remaining velocity, u minus u by n. So we don't know how much this n value is. So it may be 2 or it may be 3. So losing means we'll get the meaning that how much is the remaining velocity. The question is, how many such planks required to just stop the bullet? So let us say other planks are like this. Thickness same. Yeah. So on. Maybe like this. So this might be the last plank, nth plank. Yeah. So we need to find how many such planks are required. So let us make use of v square minus u square is equal to 2as. When it leaves the first plank, the velocity is going to be remaining velocity. Final velocity is going to be remaining velocity, that is u minus u by n whole square, and there is initial velocity is equal to, what is the thickness of the plank? Means x. Only one plank whose thickness is x. Just to elaborate this, you will get a u square plus u square by n square minus 2ab, 2 u into u square by n only you will get here. There is u square is equal to 2ax. So you can cancel minus u square plus u square. So therefore you can take out common u square. So you'll get 1 by n square minus 2 by n is equal to 2ax. So this is in the first case. Now in the second case, so you may require m planks. So m planks may be required. So it means initial velocity u, this may be the nth plank, this may be mth plank, so that bullet is stopped. So bullet is stopped means final velocity will be 0. So when you talk about the final velocity 0, you call this as first equation. Once again, make use of v square minus u square equal to 2as. So final velocity is 0. But with what velocity bullet is hitting the first plank means u square only. So final velocity will become 0 after m number of planks. So we are going to get the equation for m. M number of planks, again each of thickness x only. You call this a equation 2. You divide equation 1 and 2. So you'll get it as u square 1 by n square minus 2 by n is equal to 2ax first, divided by minus u square whole divided by, so you can write this equal to symbol here, because you are dividing, is equal to 2a m into x. So you can cancel x a and 2a here, even you can cancel u square. If you cancel this minus, you will get here plus, here minus. Okay, so this x is also cancelled. Now, so take out n square common. N square may be the LCM. You'll get minus 1 first, plus 2n is equal to 1 by m. So you'll get how many planks means m planks required. The equation for it is n square by 2n minus 1. So this may be the question in the competitive exams. Now I'll explain numerical based on this question. Let me read the question first. A rifle bullet loses 1 by 20th of its velocity in passing through a plank. What will be the least number of such planks required to just stop the bullet? So just now we had the formula m is equal to n square by 2n minus 1. Now what, as per the question, what is n given? N is, earlier we had 1 by n here. 1 by n here. So instead of n, you have 20 here. So it can be 20 or it can be 10. So based on the question, you have to proceed. So now n equal to 20. So let us substitute the values. M is equal to n square. N square means 20 square. It will be 400 by 2 into, it is 20, n is 20 minus 1 is equal to 400 by, this is going to be 40 minus 1, which is 39. So roughly it will be 10 crosses, 10.1, like that you will get. So these many planks required. It means, so don't be misunderstand that only 10 planks required, because option may be given 10 also, but 10.1 you have got. It means what? 10 is crossed, 11 may be entered. So minimum number of planks required for this question are 11. So m is equal to 11. Now, so let us proceed with the another application of equation of motion. That is, a bullet loses 1 by nth of its velocity, 1 by nth of its initial velocity in particular, 1 by nth of its initial velocity after traveling a distance x. Question is, what further distance? What further distance it travels before it comes to rest? So this is a question. Let us try to understand the question with the help of a diagram. Suppose let us say at this point, maybe started somewhere, but when it comes to this point, it has velocity u. After traveling a distance x, it loses 1 by nth of its initial velocity. Means what? There will be again a remaining velocity. So what is remaining velocity means? Initial velocity minus and loss. So therefore you'll get remaining. The question is what further distance, y let us say, before it comes to rest. So it is final velocity 0. Now let us apply equation of motion v square minus u square is equal to 2as for the first part of the question. So final velocity is v dash square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now let us apply. What is v dash here? U minus u by n whole square minus u square is equal to 2ax. Now let me continue. Expand it. U square plus u square by n square 2ab. So it will be 2u square by n minus u square is equal to 2ax. So you can cancel this and this. U square and u square get cancelled. So if you take out common u square, you will get a 1 by n square minus 2 by n is equal to 2ax. You call this equation 1. Now let us proceed with the total. Total means initial velocity u and final velocity 0. So total distance traveled when velocity changes from u to 0. So therefore v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Once again let us apply. V is 0 minus u square. So total distance 2a of x plus y. You call this is equation 2. Now let us divide equation 2 and 1. So what is equation 2 means? Minus u square by this one. U square 1 by n square minus 2 by n is equal to 2a of x plus y divided by 2ax. So you can cancel 2a and you can cancel u square. If you cancel minus at the numerator, this will become plus, this will become minus. Now, so take n square LCM. Here n square will become n LCM. You will get minus 1. You will get plus 2n here. This is 1 is equal to. So you'll get x plus y by x. Now, so finally n square by 2n minus 1 is equal to, I can write this as 1 plus y by x, because x by x plus y by x. So it will be, just you get a 1 this side. So n square by 2n minus 1 is equal to y by x. So after you take LCM, n square you will get 2n minus 2n, you will get a plus 1, you will get a whole divided by 2n minus 1 is equal to y by x. So this can be written as n minus 1 whole square divided by 2n minus 1 is equal to y by x. So the final equation is y is equal to x into n minus 1 whole square divided by 2n minus 1. So this is the desired equation. Just you assume some numbers here. A bullet traveling a distance of 3 meters, after which its velocity decreases by n times. Velocity decreases by n times, you take it as n is equal to 3. It means velocity is v dash, you call it as u by n, loses u by n, 1 by 3. So n equal to 3. So after traveling a distance of, let us say, x is equal to 3 centimeters. Now let us find out what distance further it travels before it comes to this. Take 3, n equal to also 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to. So there is square also here, 3 into. This is 2 square, it will be 4 divided by 6 minus 1, it will be 5. So it travels a distance 12 by 5. So it will be, I think, 2.4 centimeters. So before it comes to rest, it travels a distance equal to 2.4 centimeters. In my next video, I'll continue with the last application of basic equations of motion. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.